Welcome to a quick start guide to getting the most out of your meal planner. Meeting your nutrition goals has never been simpler. Each week, you will receive a plan with simple recipes that has been hand-curated by credentialed nutrition professionals and chefs. Your meal plan is interactive and fully customizable to fit your lifestyle. You can add and remove recipes based on your preferences. Search for recipes, then click and drag selections into your planner. You can adjust the number of servings and scale those recipes you want to make more of for leftovers. As you customize your plan, the nutrition facts will automatically adjust, as will your smart grocery list. You can generate your grocery list for those days you want to shop for. Use your list to order groceries online or take your meal plan and grocery list with you, as it can be viewed and modified on any mobile device. Selecting and preparing healthy food shouldn't be complicated. Whether you're preparing a family meal or packing snacks for an afternoon full of activities, we're here to support you with plenty of options. To log into your account, refer to your nutrition professional's website or contact them for more information. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen, and happy cooking!